Who doesn't love a Spanish home? Who doesn't want to sell their Spanish home for the most money and they've loved it for 30 years, which it needs a little work? In this video, I will walk you through the exact strategy we used from necessary renovations to targeted staging that got the sellers $300,000 more than selling as is and secured the right buyer for their home. With more inventory and longer days on market, selling a home in less than 30 days and getting top dollar is no small feat. It means positioning your home like a curated gem that is special, one of a kind, and emotionally tugs at your heartstrings. That's exactly what we did at 1514 Linda Rosa Avenue in Eagle Rock. I know what you're thinking. Eagle Rock, great location. Spanish home with views? This is an easy sell, right? Well, not exactly. Our clients have lived there for over 30 years, and it is a hilltop property with 100-year-old pine trees. Spanish homes are like people. Just like going to the gym or watching what we eat, these homes need constant upkeep and attention. This home did cost more for improvements. We had to fix things like water intrusion in the detached studio and the laundry room, resurfacing the roof, replacing some windows, and a pipe replacement. After all the necessary repairs, we focused only on the updates that move the needle and speak to a buyer's mind, refreshing the interior with paint and cleaning up the front and backyards. The finishing touch was staging with that wonderful modern aesthetic to complement the home's warmth and character. The location of this property is 10 out of 10, walkable to an award-winning elementary school, shops, and restaurants. We showcased this with drone video and photography to highlight it, as not every home can claim the same. Then we hired a top-rated photography studio that specializes in editorial imagery, so each photo looks like it came out of a magazine. Throughout all this, we managed every step of the home's transformation, kept stress off our client by communicating daily and updating that master spreadsheet so they knew exactly what was happening at all times. When we launched the listing, we had over 100 people on the first weekend of open houses. We even hosted a separate open house for the neighbors with coffee and donuts so they could preview it before anyone else. The home was only on the market for 7 days and we received 11 offers. They were absolutely shocked by the final number. We educated our clients from the beginning on why the necessary repairs were needed to be done to show future buyers the home was beautiful inside as well as outside. You want to remove any hesitation in a buyer's mind because if they love it, the offers will come and so will the most value for your home. You never want to leave your home seller wondering if they left money on the table because they should have done more. This home would have most likely sold $300,000 less if it was sold as is. But what warms my heart is that we found the buyers who appreciated and the care for the home just as much as the sellers did. To me, that's the real win. If you're a homeowner and wondering if you can still win in this market, the answer is yes, with the right agent, strategy, and real estate team behind it. Curious about your home's value or what's happening in the real estate market? Just text or call me at the number below. I'd love to help you sell smart and stress-free. I'm Nicole with Think Real Estate. Happy to help.